I have a treatment from the nurse for 15 days for the hormones. 15 days, so they do it there in my butts for 15 days. So pinapalit-palitan lang kasi masakit siya. So you can ask also to them that if you can inject by yourself, it's up to you, if to your arm or to your stomach, to your tummy, or to your butt. But I'm preparing to do to my butt or to my legs here. It's closer to my weight. Because I think for me it's more better to do that way. And then, so every morning, 5 o'clock in the morning, the nurse will ring the door. She will come there. So 5 o'clock every morning, the same time. She never late. She never been late. So they always inject those hormones it's for the hormones, that one, huh? And then after the treatment for 15 days, then we go back to the hospital to put to the embryos. So they put that 3 embryos, and then yeah, it's working. Yay! It's my Nico-chan. He's the strongest one. So is the strongest one who survived is my son. So the 2 was failure. Maybe that is the one that I saw with the very hard one when I do pee. So it's hard, and I was squeezing and then doing like that, and I was thinking, oh, maybe that is my other child. So yeah, then we go back to the hospital to look, and then I see only one. But at least I'm very, very happy that time that I don't know what is my feeling. So really excited, really, guys, that I cannot explain it to myself. Really, it's a really thing. And then when you are already, it's a lot of medication that you have to take for hormones, guys. It's a lot. So before before we are doing the treatment, before with the injection for 15 days, I'm doing something medication to spray my nose. And the time I'm still following for schooling for Netherlands. And I wanted normally to take a course here. I wanted to finish normally my schooling. But no, because of my treatment for making babies. And then I stopped because it's really difficult. You have to do on time. I even bring an alarm. I put an alarm always in my bag, or I put it something like a special watch that I can hear the alarm while I'm still inside of the school, because I do it 3 times a day to spray the nose here. It's like a kind of thing also like that, and you have to pop up here in your nose. That's for the hormones. And then that is before when we inject the embryos. And then after that, when I have already my baby, because it was already a long time, guys. It was already 21 years now. My son is like a little forget already. But all those things that I was using it for, all those medication, I put it there on the back, and then on the box, and also the papers from the doctors. For all those things from the treatment, I put it there so that later he can show it also to his children. And then I don't want to say this to the people, but I speak at this because someone was making like a gossips that she's speaking there in our place there. She's from our place. It's in the same village. That my son is from Surrogate. Excuse me, is not from Surrogate. If you are saying about Surrogate and IVF, it's very big different. Before you are saying to other people, Google it first and search it. What is the meaning of surrogate, or what is a meaning for IVF? in vitro fertilizer. And surrogate is a mom who carried your child from other mom. And you can do it also if you have problem both your husband, then you can, the woman, from the surrogate woman, she is the one who will carry. For example, you, the couple, the woman, she don't have problem. The woman, she have a problem, but the man, he doesn't have a problem. So he can give his sperm to the surrogate mom, and she's the one who will carry your baby. So you understand? So for my situation, in my case, I'm the one who carried my own child because I don't have a problem. I can make a lot of baby, how many I want. The problem is my husband is the one who have a problem. My ex-husband, because it's very light, his sperm. He cannot keep it. It's going to die directly if this goes to the ovary, you know. So he will die. So that's why we did it that way, so that they will be very strong. They put it together, my egg cells and his sperm. So that's why they call it that IVF. Because for the second treatment that we did, it doesn't help because only the sperm of my son, only the sperm of my husband, have problem. It's very light, so it will die. That's why we combine together my egg cell and his sperm cell. So you understood now? The one who make a gossip stir that my son is from surrogate. Excuse me? If I will hear that again third time, then I'm gonna go to your house and I'm gonna explain it to you. Because I heard it already 2 times. A friend of mine there, it's not a friend of mine, it's a friend of her, that she said to me, "Are you Sheena, the one who have a child from surrogate?" I saw like that. Excuse me, my son is not surrogate. I'm the one who carried my own son. You know, it's not from a surrogate mom. Surrogate mom is the one who carry a child from other couple that who have a problem. For example, both of them, they have a problem, then they can buy a sperm or a donor, and the surrogate mom will carry to their child. And if the man, he has a problem, but the woman, he don't have a problem, she don't need a surrogate mom. That is the one what I'm doing. I'm the one who take my child because I don't have a problem. Only the problem is my husband. So, but then, it's not as strong as his sperm. We take it away from my egg cell and we put it that one together. So, para kumapit ng masyado. Ayun ang sinasabi niyan. So, if you wanna ask a question for me, guys, it's better. Search for me on Facebook. Then I will answer you in a private way, not on in YouTube, in a comment section. It's better find me in Facebook, then I will tell you, because now I'm not really concentrating because my husband is coming. So I'm in a hurry up because I have to do first something also. So guys, when we make the baby, first, we do it in a normal way. I will repeat it again. And the urologist. That is the first treatment that we are doing. And then the second time is the test tube baby. So you can, if they will put you a lot of embryos in your ovary, you can have a lot. If you can have maybe 12 children inside if you can carry them. And then the third one is the IVF. So the IVF is the one that is the one who give us a baby. So I'm very thankful to all the doctors for their treatment. And then to the nurses because they take care for me. But guys, when I was 7 months, I have a lot of accident at the time. If you are pregnant for 7 months, it's better you do care for with your baby, because that kind of months is like a bad luck. We got an accident at the time, and then I was completely fitted to the headboard of our car because that was rainy season, and someone who hit us in the back of our car, and then poof, and then I in between in the headboard, and then with the chair. So I was bleeding hard, and they bring me to the doctor. So I have normally is a kind of like an ID that it's written there that you are doing with something like a treatment from the doctor, that it's there your name, and then it's like a file name, and then the type of your blood, so that if there is something wrong, something happened, they can directly knows what is your type of blood. So always bring that ID in your first. Remember, don't forget that. But I know before you will do that kind of treatment, you will know that because the doctor, they will explain it to you. So 7 months, I got a lot of problems. I was falling on the staircase because I was wearing a high heels. I'm used to wear a high heels because I don't want to wear a flat shoes, because I have always problem with my foot if I will wear a flat shoes. And then after that, I was sliding on the street. I was sliding, and then I was really get painful, and then I have a little bit bleeding. And when I'm falling also on the staircase from us, I also bleeding. But when we get that one, the accident with the car, I was really terrified, very, 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 a lot of pain, and it's a lot of bleeding. That's why I stayed there for a week in the hospital.
In the hospital.
And then for security, and to take care the baby, and of course to me also, because I'm the one who carry my baby. And then it's a very sensitive. If you are doing like that, it's a very sensitive. You have to very be careful, because then when I was also 7 months pregnant, my baby is like a malnourished. So it always on the when I have the scan all the time, this weight that is not growing, because I never sleep, because all those medication that I was taking, it makes me more energetic, very, very energetic me. I never sleep. Usually you are going to sleep in the day if you are pregnant, but no, I never sleep. I'm always busy cooking, walking, going shopping, and in the evening I always looking TV. I never sleep. I always sleep 1 to 3 hours, and that's it. And that's why the doctor was angry to me, and then my OB was angry, very angry to me, because I have to sleep in the day. That's why when I was 7 months until 9 months, they always bring me to the hospital, 1 week at home and 1 week in the hospital, so that they can look what is the baby. Because if I will stay at home, and then I never want to sleep. I always going outside. I always busy, so I need to sleep, because that is really needs to the baby. And then you have to take a medication, not a medication, a vitamins, Omnibianta, that is good for the baby. And then what else? No, that's why I never be also become sleepy always, because I have more energetic, because for those vitamins that was taking the Omnibianta. That is a very, very good vitamins. And then, what else no that I'm gonna see it, guys, because I already forgotten, because you know, it was already 21 years now. But maybe if I will remember again, and then I'm gonna make it again a new video, so that I can explain it well, because today is like I'm not really like concentrating well, because you know, it's the time already, and I'm already making my videos so late, because I was so busy, because my husband is coming, he's working today. So guys, I hope if I will remember something, then I'm gonna make a new video. I hope this video you learn something for it. And then even I don't do it, explain it well, but I hope you understand the other things. So hope you enjoy watching my videos, and see you for the next time. Bye bye.